how to fix the device is not certified by Play Services. You might see a message that your device is not certified or protected on your Play Store. Right. To ensure your device is certified and protected, you need to follow these steps. So open up your Google Play Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then tap on your profile, which will be in the top right. Now from the profile, you need to scroll down and then go with settings option. Under settings, you need to tap on overview or tap on about. Make sure there's a security certificate and that your device is protected. But if you don't have the security certificate, or if it doesn't say Play Protection Certification, which will be in the bottom, and if you want to activate it, then you can open up your Google Play Store and then go with your profile, which will be in the top, and then tap on security option, which will be on your settings. Go with settings and then you need to go with security, and you need to enable the option of scan apps with security software. Or you can just simply go and toggle it off if you don't want the protection. Google Play Security is a feature that verifies your device security. This security service provided by Google Play confirms the safety of apps before you download them from the Google Play Store. It also scans apps that could potentially harm you and send warnings about potentially harmful apps. Additionally, the service sends a warning when it finds any apps that violate the program's policy. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.